Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin at the town square and approach the red mailbox that stands 3.5 meters tall. Scan the benches and lampposts for sticky notes and paw prints. Plan a 15-minute search window to examine each marker systematically. Check the north alley for footprints leading toward the old clock tower. Expect roughly a 25% chance to trigger a patrol hint while you investigate the immediate surroundings. Follow the paw prints that head northeast for approximately 3.5 meters between lampposts. Inspect each alley intersection and mark waypoints on your map within a 50-meter radius of every clue. Use a torch or lantern to search dark alleys because it gives a 15-minute visibility boost. If you find a food trail, track it slowly and note turns. Recheck any suspicious crates and trash cans where small characters approach calmly and keep your movements slow when you near the target character. If Sheriff Panda appears, maintain a 2-meter distance and ready a soft net to avoid startling him. Offer a bamboo snack because bait increases capture success by about 25% on contact. If you miss the capture, retreat and wait a 5-minute cooldown for respawn behavior to reset. After a successful approach, secure the character gently and claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.